guys, it's your girl Quincy. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm taking my dog Ozzy for a walk. Here's proof. Wait a sec. Okay. This is Ozzy, my dog. You might have seen him in some videos, and you might have seen him in the Playing Floor is Lava with him, and just like stuff and that. So yeah, he is three months. He is 3 years old. He loves running. He does pull. His birthday is the 1st of July. His birthday is, yes, the 1st of July. Oh, come on. So yeah, I just took him halfway around my house. So we'll be going straight there, then turn, and then we're at my house again. Some of you, my subscribers, might know where I live. Oh, I'm not going to show that car's number plate. Why was I even about to? Anyway, my bad. So yeah, we're just like crossing a road that we go straight and then turn left, and then we'll just go to my house. It's 8:05 in where I live. So yeah. Oh, there's some bikers. Gotta be quiet because I don't want them. Oh my gosh. I thought I knew one of them. Wait, be quiet. I think I know one. No, I don't. That's good. Oh guys, I gotta go now. I need to pick up my dog's poop. So yeah, bye.